Yummy, yummy food vocabulary. An apple. An apple. A banana. A banana. Oranges. Oranges. A pineapple. A pineapple. A strawberry. A strawberry. Watermelon. Watermelon. Corn. Corn. Cucumbers. Cucumbers. Lettuce. Lettuce. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Potatoes. Potatoes. A tomato. A tomato. Cake. Cake. Candy. Candy. Ice cream. Ice cream. Juice. Juice. Milk. Milk. Key. Key. Chicken. Chicken. A hamburger. A hamburger. Pizza. Pizza. Rice. Rice. A rice ball. A rice ball. A sandwich. A sandwich. Thank you so much, everyone. And we will see you next time. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.